Working with permissions in the Exchange Online Admin Center, we have different kinds of role groups that can be used for different purposes. Let's take a look at this. From the roles section, admin roles, and here we have a list of different role groups which give users permission to view data, complete tasks, and use PowerShell commandlets in the Exchange Admin Center. Each of those role group has a designated purpose. There is a different assignment, there is a special assignment, there is a peculiar assignment for each of those role groups. So you are able to assign this role group to a user based on the assignment that you would like them to carry out within your Office 365 environment. In our next video, I will show how to create a role group or how to add a role group and in turn assign that role group to a user. So let's take a look at what we have in the next video. In this video, I will show us how to add a new role group and assign the new role group to a user. Let's go. Add a role group. I will name this Sales Department. And I will give a description. The members of this role group can manage the sales department address lists. So let's go on to next. And then from the list of this role group, we can select the address lists role group and we go on to next. We'll be adding members to this role group. You can add as many members as you want. Let's go to next and we are done. We can take a look at the summary of what we have just created. And let's add the role group. We have been able to create this new role group, and let's take a look at the list of the admin roles and see if our sales department role group has been successfully added. So let's scroll down. Here we have it. We have the sales department role group and the description. So right from the list of admin roles, you can select the sales department role group and assign it to the group of people within your Office 365 environment. So in our next video, we'll be talking about just two common issues and how we can address them within the Exchange Online Admin Center. Stay tuned.